Hello 7th standard students. Today we will continue the chapter number 7, that is electricity and magnetism, and the topic is uses of electromagnet. See in this diagram I have one big crane here which lift heavy loads, means magnetic goods are there. So strong electromagnets are used in cranes to lift the heavy magnetic goods. So after shifting these goods, crane can be dropped the desired place by switching off the current. Second one is electromagnets are used in electric motors. Electromagnets are used in loudspeakers. Electromagnets are used in electric bells, and electromagnets are used in relay of electric circuits. So these questions are very important. Now in the next topic I'll show you how to make an electromagnet, that is very important one. See in this diagram, with the help of this diagram, means to say we understand how to form an electromagnet. So what material is required here? Insulated copper wire, a big and thick nail, you can see clearly, few paper pins, a switch, battery and plastic clips. So in step number 1, wind the wire around the nail as shown in figure. So you see in this picture, so we just wind the wire around this nail. In the second step, we connect two ends of the wire to the battery. In the one end, you know very well, battery has two, one positive, one negative charge is here. So in the one end of the wire you attach with negative, or means to say positive, and the next you say positive or negative. So when you on the switch, the current flow through this. So bring paper pins near this nail with the plastic clips carefully. So we will see that paper clips are attached towards the nail, and when you off the switch, means to say switch is in off position, the paper pins will fall. So what results show? The results show that a coil carrying conductor, or you can say a coil carrying current, act as a electromagnet. Our next topic is electric bell. So first of all, understand the definition of electric bell. It is based on the principle of electromagnetism. So what is its constructions and working? I'll show you some diagram that is clear to you. See in this first diagram, a piece of soft iron acquires magnetic property when electric current flows through them, and it loses when magnetic properties as soon current is switched off. So in the constructions you see very clearly, I have one coil here, okay, soft iron strip here, connect adjusting screw, hammer and gong, switch, battery, etc. So in the normal position you say that I have one electromagnet, and this is switch, this is cell, and this is iron strip, and this is gong, this is hammer. See in this diagram, coil, insulated copper coil is wound closely around the soft iron. Soft iron strip is here. It is fixed to the face towards the pole of electric magnet. Connect an adjusting screw. The ringing sound of the bell can be changed with the help of this screw. This is off position, this is on position, this is again off position. In hammer and gong, so see in this diagram clearly, when the hammer is touched with the gong, means to say current is passed through in between them and the bell is ringing. So we hear the sound very clearly when it is in on position. And when it is in the off position, you can say in these two diagrams, when we off the switch or current is off in between them, so they are means to say they away from them, they away from each other, and the bell is not ringing, so we not hear any type of sound. So with the help of switch or with the help of cell, the current is passes through in this wire and it reaches to the hammer, and when the current is passed through in between them, then hammer is connect or attached with the gong and they produce a sound. So this is the construction and working here. So when switch is at off position, then hammer loses the connect with the metal strip and the electric current is broken. Or when it is on position, I already told you, the electromagnet attract the metal strip with the hammer towards them and they strike the gong and produce sound. So with this, electromagnet loses its magnetism and hammer comes back their original position. So already you have seen in this diagram. So the bell continues to ring so long as electric current is passes through the bell in the circuit and it is in off position, then we are not able to hear any type of a sound. Thank you, students.